That's all right. So the intro, as notated. And that little riff only happens when there's no vocals. When it goes to vocals, we do more of a choppy, syncopated block chord thing. You can see this is an inverted A minor chord with the 7th there as well. That's what I tend to play as the F. It's just an F with a suspended second. Back to A minor. And then with the D, literally inverted chords. That's just what I do. Back to A minor. This next little section is like a descending thing in the left hand. And the chords just follow that. So with the chords. So literally A minor, G, F sharp, F, E. The next bit is done just in octaves. Alright, so both hands, octaves. Twice. Straight back into the verse. Now there is this little lick I do in the verse on the F. With a bit of pedal there too. So I'll show you that. And F. D. Descending. A. G. F sharp. F. E7. And that's your verses. So for the chorus, I would start out just doing that simply. So imagine there's like a little repeat here, and it repeats once, and the E only happens at the end. I do a little lick on the G blues scale, so C, G, F, C, G. So you can add that in if you like. And then the E, G, anyway. Alright, that's that one. So I've done verses, choruses, but that's it. That's it.